design, and durability. The Xiaomi 13T Pro, released in September 2023, features a sleek bar-type design, measuring 162.2 x 75.7 x 8.5 mm and weighing 200 grams. Notably, it boasts IP68 dust and water resistance, surviving depths of up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes, ensuring durability in various environments. Immersive display with a captivating 6.67-inch AMOLED display, the Xiaomi 13T Pro offers a resolution of 1220 x 2712 pixels, protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. It showcases an astonishing 68 billion colors, a pixel density of 446 ppi, and features like a 144 Hz refresh rate, Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and a peak brightness of 2600 nits for an immersive visual experience. Powerful performance. The device houses an octa-core CPU, boasting 1335 GHz, Cortex-X3, 383.0 GHz Cortex-A75, and 4.2.0 GHz Cortex-A510, paired with the Immortalis G750 of MC11 GPU. Users can choose from 12GB or 16GB RAM, with internal storage options of 256GB, 512GB, or 1TB, catering to diverse user needs. Enhanced security and functionality security features include an under-display optical fingerprint sensor and an array of sensors like accelerometer, proximity, gyro, compass, and color spectrum, ensuring comprehensive user security and functionality. User interface and operating system. Running on Android 13 with Xiaomi's MIUI 14 interface, the Xiaomi 13T Pro provides a seamless, customizable, and intuitive user interface, enhancing the overall user experience. Camera capabilities. The rear triple camera setup includes three 50MP lenses, wide, telephoto, ultra-wide, capturing stunning images in 4320p resolution. Video capabilities encompass 8K 24fps, 4K 24 60 fps, HDR10+, and 1080p 3060 120 240 fps, with a front 20MP camera for vivid selfies. Connectivity and power. The device supports nano SIM and dual SIM, offering versatile connectivity. Powering this innovation is a non-removable 5000 mAh LiPo battery, coupled with 120Bu wired charging, promising a rapid full charge in just 19 minutes, as advertised. Innovation personified. The Xiaomi 13T Pro represents the pinnacle of innovation, blending cutting-edge technology, sophisticated design, and uncompromising performance, setting new standards for smartphones.